Hello homeowners, we've got another fabulous video for you. My name is Evan James, I'm the warranty coordinator for Long Built Homes.
I'm Gordon Cruz, warranty technician.
Today we're going to show you any kind of problem you can have with your garage door.
Mainly, let's say you come out and your garage door will not open. First thing we need for you to check is to see if there's power. How do you find where the power is coming from? Is check for GFI on the back or side wall. It seems to be tripped. Let's reset it.
So I come out and I go to push nothing's happening. I check the GFI on the back wall and I realize it's tripped. I reset it and now I have power. Push the button, it will move the garage door for you.
Okay, so now we have power. The button is lit up. It must be something else. Let's check the sensors on either side of the garage door.
So you came out to your garage was open, you hit the button, it went down about 2 feet, went back up and blinked 6 or 7 times. This tells me that the sensors are out of whack. The way you could tell if the sensors are out of alignment, this one is lit up solidly green, the other one is lit up solidly orange. If you notice any kind of flicker on these lights, you need to readjust it so that it sees the other beam of light. Once you do that and you adjust it so that they're both solidly lit, you hit the button, it'll go down for you.
Okay, so in an emergency, you don't have any power in your house, you need to get out of your garage. This is the reason why this red cord would be here. Pull it, it releases the door from the motor, and you can raise it by hand because it's counterbalanced, so it's not very heavy. So the last thing to do for your door maintenance is to give it a little bit of lubricant. Lubricate the wheels and lubricate these hinges all the way across. You want to do it down because you don't want to stain the floor or get the lubricant on your car. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Just a squirt. And the hinge. This should be done every 6 months. It really makes the door a lot quieter when it's running. Have a rag handy so you can do the middle without making a big mess. And do the same with the rest. Nice, all right.